I got a package. Yes! Okay, what else? It came in this bag. I'm gonna show you. And in this, it came in this. Right here, Daddy. First I got is this one. This is cute golden retriever. What? That's a sea thing. That's red magnet. That's so I love her. She's so cute. Next is this one here. He's so cute. I love him because he's so adorable. Oh man, this one is not in good condition, but I can take that out. Sure. Next is this one. I'm really happy because it's all in good condition. We'll check it out. So he's so cute. I love him now. Look at this one. I love her because she's so adorable. And this is the package. I've been wanting her for days. Why does all of them have this? I'm about to take this out. Can I take that out? Because some of them have it. This right here, like a marker thing. Can I take that out? Marker. Can I take that out? Yeah, can I mark it? Next is this corgi. I love it. It's a boy or girl one. What do you think? A boy? Yes.
Let me see.
It doesn't have any. Yeah. Right here. Maybe the mailman marked it, so. Look, this one! Oh my god. I just love her because I've been wanting to dash her for a while. Oh my god, oh my god. And she has a magnet! I got all these magnet ones. Good. I'm happy. Next is this husky. No, Andy, this husky. It's adorable, right? Oh my god. Cute! And I love it. Hi! Hi. Okay, next is this Domination. He's really cute. I love him. Oh, and before I got these little special, I made a video of me saying, can't wait when I get my little special, and I can't wait. Next is this one. Oh. She's adorable and I love her because she's so cute. Oh my god, she's so adorable. She has a flower on her. Next is this corgi. She's adorable. See? Yeah. 2. Look how adorable she is. Oh my god. Next is this eagle. Oh my god. Adorable, adorable. Okay. For the final, my favorite. This collie. She's really in good condition, and I'm really happy because she's in good condition. Because I love this collie. So I got 13 pets. And they look adorable, cute, amazing, love it, love it. They're so cute, I know they're adorable, yes, yes, yes. Thank you for watching, bye.